Hi everyone, this is Alex. This is my Project 9 draft. Um, what I'm gonna do for this draft is I have all of the design elements I want into my PowerPoint slides already. Um, I'm just having a lot of issues kind of coming up with the information. So what I'm gonna do instead is run through my presentation with the designs and just kind of explain what on the slides what I'm prepared to do for it. As far as like what I kind of have in mind for those slides. Um, so right off the bat, this is my title slides or title slide. It's just simple. Like I just wanted to keep it simple with like an emphasis on the logo in the front. Here, the next slide is the intro slide here. I wanted to put in sort of like sort of like a how we got to here, kind of from what communication was like 200 years ago, and then kind of moving towards what it turns into today. So kind of going from point A to point B and like the steps in between. Um, this is the first content slide that I have in mind. It's gonna kind of go into the history of uh, communications in back in 200 years ago, and then how it kind of escalates into the start of the new era, like how the world wars really developed uh, the importance of communication, especially over long distances, and then from there on, kind of like the evolution going from uh, like use in the military versus to like commercial use in general. Um, so that's what's going to go on here is the words, and then the next slide is kind of a visual interpretation of what it turns into. So um, this one I'm just kind of be talking over versus having a lot of words. I'm thinking of putting maybe words in between, maybe create some space here, here, and here, just to kind of fill those gaps. Um, and then after that is the end slide. So, yeah, this is my draft for Project 9. Of course, all comments and critiques are welcome. Anything that you think can help, I would greatly, greatly appreciate. Thank you.